Come on along. Little AC work today. Actually out in the woods. Well, I don't know about you, but we got a new mechanic started in the shop this morning. She's really cute too. Who's that? I better back up. She's so bashful.
You like videos?
Can you look at Mike?
Make the face? No.
That's Shelby. Otherwise known as, what do you call her? Bert? That's Bert. She's gonna be a mechanic like her daddy. Can you see yourself in there? Who is that? Pretty little girl? Oh, that's cool, Troy. Teach them young, you need to give her a wrench. Who's that? You want to look at yourself? Who's in there? She's Cookie Monster right now. Should I get in the picture with you?
You're being so shy for her. Why are you being so shy?
Yeah, she said hook that up, Daddy. What kind of wrench is that? Metric. You're going to be on YouTube now, Shelby. Troy's getting his rally car ready. Right, Troy? It's a Farfignugan. Yeah. Volkswagen. He's going to turn it into a rally car. We're going to race around the cornfield when the corn is about knee high. Ah. Farfignugan. How's the back brakes? She ain't there yet, huh? What do we got over here? Corn binder? Junk. Wow. Little welding project yet again. All right. See you. Bye. I guess we got it fixed. Mike's got it fixed because Mike's fixing guy. Oh, she's cool. I can take the jack out now and see if she stays put. We work on farm equipment too. That's a Troy machine. That's a bagger. Ag bag. Yeah, I will. The axle was poking through there and it was about ready to lay on the ground, so I had to rebuild that whole thing. I couldn't take you along because it was just... She's done. Now what am I going to do? Come over here and pick on you two?
No, I said don't come over here. I feel like swearing.
Well, there's less parts in the box, so things are getting better. Hey, you look like you're in a little caboose, you know. Yee-hee. I'm full of it, ain't I? What? I don't like swearing. You didn't swear just yet, but
What did that mean?
how come it's bad? Is it going bad? Oh, what? All right, I'll shut up.
I was just kidding.
I know. I gotta make some phone calls, but you getting some progress done?
No.
Oh, that's good then. As long as you get paid by the hour.
Yeah, no shit, huh?
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's lying. He's got wires up there.
I wouldn't lie to you, Mike.
I see wires. That's good. We're getting somewhere. Progress. Okay, bye.
One of your little welding hats, I'll put it on.
Yeah, there you go. You need some bib overalls too.
I got it.
Hi, Spec. 5-inch what? What happened here?
Skidder stuff.
Clutch job, huh? Hey, that manifold would work.
That's a turbine.
Did you look at that other manifold on that other skidder?
No,
Wow.
this is a turbine.
Yeah, we need one just like that. I should have Jeff start looking for one. Right?
What?
I should have Jeff start looking for a manifold for that. You didn't see that either, did you? That 540 outside. What are you doing? You gonna blind me? Smoke it. One's out on the phone. What are you building? A rudder for a duck's ass, Mike. Did you ever hear that one? A rudder for a duck's ass.
New fuel tanks for this truck.
Fuel tank, yeah. It's gonna have poly walls in it. Dog boxes for the big bear hunter. Mighty bear hunter, see? They put the dogs in iron boxes. Right? I thought they just put humans in cages, but they put dogs in them too. Yeah. I don't get it. How's that gonna sit on here? Tapered up like this? One on each side? And then the dog's gonna go in each compartment? Or is there gonna be dividers in there?
Yeah. So those are.
What? Oh, yeah. He's getting it all coped out, huh? Cattywampus. Yeah, they probably come up short end up here. Up to here, maybe. Well, that would be a straight one.
You got to figure it out somehow.
Right here.
These are probably the wrong pieces.
Oh, I'm not talking to you. Show me what you got, how that works.
What works?
Let's do a dog box explanation from Wisconsin. How are you going to divide that? Each compartment is a dog? So there's going to be 8 dogs with you?
I
Okay.
have to buy one more, I only got 7.
Oh. Where does the bear go when you're done killing it?
Right dead center between them.
Okay, so there's going to be one on each side. How does it, you're going to divide them with sheets of plywood or?
This stuff. Just like my other one was.
Oh,
So the air can flow.
so they don't stink? The whole thing up?
So they don't
I
get
see.
heat stroke and die.
Okay. You doing the top in aluminum then? You gonna rivet it on or? You can get them self-tappers by the 1,000. Them work really good too. This is thin wall, right? Yeah, all you do is drill a pilot and they go. They'll never come off. You don't know anybody who works at a fire place. Yeah, anyways. I'm curious, so then you're just gonna go or vertical this way.
Maybe, but no.
You don't know.
I don't know yet.
So then the bottom of the truck is gonna be the bottom of the box. That's cool, and you can just wash it right off. when they're done all shitting in there.
They shouldn't shit in here because they're small enough compartments, they'll have to lay in it.
Oh, okay.
That was the problem with the other one. That's why Brittany gets that one.
Oh, she's going with you this year? Or is she every year?
Now
Okay.
she's got a pickup.
Mighty Bear. The Mighty Bear Hunter.
So when they have that much room, they can shit and then they can lay on the other end.
Oh.
So then your truck always stinks. Pisses me off.
What are we pointing at, Troy? Venison? Where do you see it?
I don't got the people.
Right on the fence line? Is that right on the... Yeah, that's... What do we call that? Supper.
That's a white-tailed buck here munching on clover.
Veneroid.
Oh look, red-tailed hawk sitting on all them.
What? Veneroid. We'll get to 270. We'll make some lunch. I got a grill. Oh, we're gonna demonstrate now. Oh yeah. You're gonna be famous. Hey, now you have a guide license too, right?
Yep.
So if you want to come to Wisconsin and go bear hunting, talk to that guy.
Yeah. Well, it takes 12 years to get a tag.
12 years, yeah. Look at, hey, that's pretty sharp for a couple of white kids.
It's like grinding the welds.
Yeah, you grind the welds off, you'll fit right in there, perfect. If that don't fit, just take a hammer and give it a whack. No, he's got a 1/4 inch of weld because he's not a professional. That's actually going to be cool. What? No, I'm going to ask you a question, and this isn't really... Never mind, you couldn't follow the contour of that damn body because it's got a gusset and then a different angle. This will work out. I like it.
Well, what do you mean? Headache rack?
The headache rack. That would just be like me being anal retentive. But then you're going to dog leash them all right here to this. To the rub rail.
Do something. You can just run ratchet straps so you can wrap them out.
There you go. Ratchet straps. We love them around here for tying hydraulic hoses down. All right, I'll get off this crazy freaking video thing. You know you didn't swear once. See you, bye. Hey guys, if you'd like to see more, help support the channel, click the thumbs up, subscribe, and the little bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get notifications every time I put up a video. It'd be really appreciated. This gets to be quite a chore sometimes, and every little bit and every one of you subscribers helps, so I'd appreciate it. Click the subscribe, the little bell. Take care. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoy my videos.